It's been a minute since I did an actual talking video, but a few days ago this thing like kind of trolling me, bro. It just like kicked off out of nowhere on the highway when I was coming home. I put the clip on Reddit and I got a bunch of comments, bro, like 100 or something, about like what to check. It was saying like battery terminal and the kickstand switch. Some people thought I hit the kill switch. Like, bro, I got it on video. I know I didn't hit the kill switch. But some people were saying it could be the kill switch. Not that I hit it, but like, it could be a faulty kill switch. And some people were saying that it can't be the battery stuff because my dash and stuff stayed on. So it's got to be something electrical, though. I mean, otherwise I wouldn't have started right back up and went. You know what I mean? I literally just went right home after that. Like nothing happened. So today I'm gonna ride it and I'm gonna see if something happens. I'm not gonna be going fast at all during this video. This is literally just a test ride to and from work. That's it. I'm really hoping it's something simple, man, because I had it in the shop already. I think it was March or April, and it was there for like a month, dude. It sucked because they weren't very responsive, and it just sucks not knowing that it's like able to be ridden all the time. I think whatever it is, it's something simple, so I don't want to stress about it too much, but it's also kind of scary to even ride it right now. So I'm just going to be really careful. Oh my god, it's foggy, bro. I can't see anything. My visor just fogged up right now like crazy. That's another good thing about having a camera, bro. I didn't even have to explain what happened, man. I just showed them the video and they can give me suggestions from there, which is pretty cool. Before I had this, if something happened, I just had to deal with it and like explain it as best I can, but now I can just show people, so it makes it way better. And yes, I do have roadside assistance, so if something does happen, I can just call them and they'll come tow me, so there's no issue with that. The first time my last bike broke down, I had AAA, but I didn't know that they didn't do motorcycles or something, and I broke down and I called them and they're like, yeah, that vehicle's not on your plan. I didn't even know you had to add vehicles. I thought they just like worked for me or something. It's like no matter what I had or whatever, they would just do it. But no, that is not how it worked. I ended up sitting there for like an hour waiting on the tow company to come get me. I was just gonna have to pay them out of pocket. Some guy ended up stopping, and he knew a guy with a big old truck. So he brought his ramps, he brought his straps and his truck, and we towed it home. It was really easy. I gave him like $40 or something, and he's like, yep, that's cool. Turns out, the issue with that bike literally was absolutely nothing. I just rode it still, and it was fine. I changed the oil, I checked a whole bunch of stuff. I checked my filter, I checked everything, man, and there was literally nothing. So I just wasted my time. I wish I had that one on video. That one was way more interesting than what happened to this one. I mean, this one just shut off. That one like blew smoke everywhere. My visor is so fogged right now, bro. And some people were saying something about the previous work that I have done, or that I had done to it. And no, it has absolutely nothing to do with that. The bike still runs fine. Before, the bike didn't even run fine. So I knew I had some kind of electrical issue, since I don't think it could be a fueling issue. It doesn't really make sense, only because it just started right back up. I'm also going to take it to work right now to see what my mechanic thinks at work. He works on off-road stuff, but I mean, maybe it's all the same. I don't really know. But he's also owned bikes in the past, I'm pretty sure, so maybe he'll know something. Maybe he can see something. I don't know. That's why I'm taking it. Because I know last time he's the one who told me I had a misfire, man. I didn't even know. I also got a lot of comments saying that it literally only happened one time and that was it. And the bike rode perfect from then on out. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for. I mean, obviously I'm hoping for that. That's like the easiest thing ever. But I think it's got to be something. That doesn't just like randomly happen, I feel like, but I'm no mechanic, so I'm gonna check the engine codes today too. Maybe it's throwing a code. If it's throwing a code, then that gives me something. That'd be nice. Yeah, I don't think this video is gonna be very long, since I'm not really doing anything. I'm kind of just like riding on the highway, so it's pretty boring. But I figured I may as well at least make some post about it, that way if I quit uploading, then everyone kind of knows why. Like that last video I posted, the night ride, that's literally like a video from a few days before that. That's not even like what I recorded that day. The day I posted that is the day that it happened. If you guys do want to see the clip of what happened, it's on YouTube. I named it like, what would make this happen, or something like that. Something along those lines. And check it out, and if you do know something, let me know. I'm happy to check anything, really. See, I'm almost to work right now, so I think I'm gonna end this part here. So yeah, I'll see y'all in about 8 hours, 9 hours, whatever it is. Alright, so I feel like a complete idiot. So look, you just barely press it. Okay, well it worked that time. Oh, you see that? See? If I mess with the kill switch, that's when it does it. So I must have like hit something and caused it to turn off, because that's literally what happened. So yeah, the bike's completely fine. We figured that out today. Thank you, Richie, by the way, because I completely overlooked it. So yeah, that's what happened, man. It's literally just a kill switch. I'm just gonna like clean it out or something. I don't really know, to be honest. If you just like kind of push it down hard enough, it'll stay. So, but just kind of be careful with it, and remember that that's what's happening. That should be fine. Yeah, go for it. Yo, I am tired of this, bruh. I haven't looked up to see how much that part actually is. I couldn't imagine it'd be very much, though. It's probably because you gotta replace like this whole assembly. You can't just replace the button. So I'll at least check it out, and I'll look up some videos on the work. If it's pretty easy and pretty cheap, I'll just buy it and do it real quick. I felt like an idiot when he told me that, because it's actually done this before. But I didn't think nothing of it, because when I had it at the shop a few months ago, it did the same thing when I tried to take it home. Like, it didn't start, and I was like, man, what is going on? But I just kind of like disregarded it, because that was the only time it happened. So, but now it's coming back, so clearly it's getting worse. Like, the connection is so bad, you'll put the kill switch in the on position, and you'll try to start it, and nothing will happen. It won't even crank or anything. I'm just glad I figured it out so quick. I hate not riding, bro. I feel like I'm just wasting the summer. Because if you guys didn't know, I'm in Ohio. The winters here aren't too bad, but like they're cold enough to where you don't really want to ride a lot. Like you probably get like 50-degree days sometimes. If that, really. 50 degrees sunny is alright. I mean, you gotta bundle up, but it's doable. Anything below 50 to me is just a no-go. I'm going to the gym right now. I don't know how much I'm really gonna be riding the bike, to be honest. I kind of want to just ride it out and see what happens, but I also don't really want to get stranded anywhere, so today might be the last day for a minute. But at least I'll have this video to post, so I'll kind of like delay it a little bit. Hopefully I can have it good by the 6th, because that's when the meet is. I don't really go to every meet, so hopefully I can at least go to this one. But I might have to work, so I don't really know. If I gotta work, then it is what it is, but... Bro, what just hit me in the head? Oh my god. Whatever it was just smashed me in the helmet, dude. That was crazy. I'm on my way home from the gym now. I have a feeling these grates in the ground are gonna make a shut off again, so that's why I'm talking right now. But I just want to see how it's like shaking. You can see this thing moving. I'm surprised that actually didn't shut it off. Maybe it's not as sensitive as I'm thinking it is, man. But I don't know. When I get home, I'm gonna see if I have some stuff that I can just like spray in there to like clean it out or something. Better than doing nothing. Because I really don't want to replace that whole assembly. So I'll just like spray it in those little cracks on the side and maybe it'll reach. So yeah, if nothing happens on my way home, I am just gonna cut this video here. So I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully nothing happens. Peace out.